1 in 5 youth will exhibit the signs of some form of mental illness in their lifetime. And as WJTV 12's Margaret Ann Carter reports, Mississippi ranks among the highest states for youth suffering from mental illness. She joins us now in studio with more. Margaret Ann?
Byron, according to Mental Health of America, Mississippi is ranked 48th in the country when it comes to access to care for mental illness. It's a shocking statistic that the National Alliance on Mental Illness of Mississippi is working to change with their mental health first aid training course.
So sometimes this can come with a lot of different disorders.
ADD, autism, depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, just to name a few. The mental illness spectrum is wide-ranging and affects millions of people.
And anything that changes how you are able to function in your day-to-day life, which means your school or your work, is considered a mental illness.
A common misconception and detrimental stigma is that those suffering from mental illness are weak.
The stigma stops a lot of people from letting out what they're actually feeling, especially young adults, because they don't want to be judged and they don't want to feel like they're different.
Centennial Wembley says that's what keeps children and teens from speaking out and finding help. And keeping it bottled up can be deadly. 90% of teens who commit suicide have an underlying mental illness. Recognizing the signs early on is imperative.
Because a lot of adults don't recognize the signs and symptoms because they kind of overlap with adolescence. Mood swings and weight changes and different things of that nature can be symptoms. It's just a matter of knowing the child on a personal level.
Sometimes when children say things to you in just passing, I'll probably pay a lot more attention to that now and maybe even talk to them a little bit more about, tell me what you mean by that. Whereas in the past, it's you just kind of dismiss it as just conversation.
Gail Smith says she'll be paying closer attention to the kids in her church children ministry class this coming Sunday. Wembley says anyone can request a mental health first aid training to learn more about the signs and symptoms of someone battling a mental illness. Byron?
Thank you, Margaret Ann.